Hi. So basically, we are trying the new game called Preachers. It's a tactical shooter game inspired by Rainbow Six, if you remember this one. And basically, they've done some cool UX and UI design when it comes to how you buy weapons and how you upgrade them. So basically, it's a very simple menu. You can browse through weapons, SMGs, rifles, and shotguns. And once you buy a weapon, you can actually select on top of the weapon itself the attachments you can buy and add to a weapon, the sights, and so on and so on. So it's very simple, it's very clean, it's very obvious. Check this out.
Okay.
I'm invading your
I'm
privacy.
gonna block this door.
Whoa.
Stairs.
Can you
Hey, can
shoot
someone
me?
blow that up?
Who has the EMP? It's Captain Israel.
What about me?
You have the EMP.
Really? I don't know how to use
What?
it. I'm new to it.
Yeah, you just, I guess, well, never mind. Like, he was just staring at a wall. Pretty wall.
Is
Hey,
your laser? Yeah.
is this a bomb, guys?
I'm
Yeah.
behind this
Hang
wall.
on.
I'm
You're
marked.
gonna watch the right, you watch the
Here.
left. No, you watch the left. I would. Okay.
Here.
I've gone
Is
to
this
the
a
right.
bomb?
Oh, yeah, you can't break it. You have to walk through it. Oh, that thing? I don't know about that.
Yeah,
Careful,
sure.
careful. Captain Israel.
Yeah,
I'm
right,
gonna take the
right
stairs.
here.
Okay.
And you can see him through the doorway. He's like sitting right on the other side of the kitchen.
I see one
Do you
body.
Can you see my mark? I see like there.
He's right here.
When I say
I mean-
distract him, suppress him.
Oh.
Careful.
There he is.
No, suppress him. Suppress him. He's dead.
You got
He's
him.
dead.
Nice. There you go. Good job.
GG.
Oh. That was
Oh,
it.
it's daylight now.
Yep.
Where's my weapon? If you want my weapon,
I'm curious
And what,
if you could,
what kind
if
of
you could
weapons do you
actually-
recommend me?
I dropped.
Oh, I like
mean-
the Bazin or whatever pronounce that damn
I'm
thing.
a fan of the SMGs. A lot of people like the shotguns.
Boy, he
I'm
shot
gonna
him so
take the
much. Right?
rifle. Looks
But
something
at
that
this
looks
moment,
Oh shoot!
I
I did
can
not mean to buy the laser.
like
two of them or
Ooh.
not?
You can unbuy it. Just click it
Oh,
again.
thank God though.
Oh, cool. Electric car.
I've got drone. Never used the drone.
I'm coming through up here again.
Ooh.
Oh man, I can't climb that. There you go.
Oh man, close to me, but okay.
Oh, I can use this. Bang, bang, bang.
The
I can't climb
mountain
up,
has
what the
a
hell?
weird render
There we go.
over there.
No.
Look at the mountain. If you look at it, like, clip.
Ah.
Oh yeah, it's like
Your
hit
hand
the
is
wrong
How
button.
can
Is
I?
that-
Your left hand is glitchy.
What?
Your left
How
hand
can I
is glitchy.
climb? Oh shit!
Yeah, I picked the wrong gun. but-
fire. These
This is an
these models
SMG.
look familiar. Familiar.
Hey, I got a drone. How do I do it? Yeah, there we go.
You throw it, yeah, and if you press the wrong
Ah.
button, it will go away.
Yeah, they're shooting. They're shooting.
Aha.
I hear drones.
Okay, I'm gonna go around as a drone.
Hey, let the
Yeah.
drone. Let the drone pass.
I'm gonna breach again.
Is it
Alright, be
our
careful.
drone?
Hey, there's
Breaching.
a door lock there,
Reach, reach, reach.
like a block.
Breaching. Oh,
Breach.
wait, won't let me breach.
Oh.
I'm trying to come to you.
There we go. Now I'm
Oh.
breaching.
To the stairs.
Yep.
thank you.
Don't see anybody left.
One down. Tossing a grenade in.
Yep.
Ah,
Oh shoot!
damn,
Came
they
back
got
down.
me.
Oh,
They tossed
Oh.
something.
Okay, there's one.
should I? How do I
There's
shoot
one
that?
right
Okay.
here, and there's one right here.
Making sure they don't flank. I mean,
I'm gonna
not
check a
flank.
grenade.
One down, one down.
Yeah, I killed him.
Two down, two down. You guys need heals?
Only
Heals?
one left.
Captain,
This last
Captain,
dude.
Captain,
Good
here.
job.
Got him.
GG.
Oh, never mind.
I've never
I don't
done
think
it
you
before.
could. I don't think you could fill an AMP. I think it
Okay,
might take
well.
time, but
Oh, actually, don't want a tripwire.
door blocker and a grenade. No, actually, on these heals.
I'll take the door blocker.
Got the door blocker ready.
I'll block.
I'm actually.
Now
Where's
we're
a good
terrorists,
place?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna block this door.
Where do they
Now
spawn?
we're the bad
So,
guys.
I'm gonna block this door actually.
How do you turn it on?
So what are we defending?
Trigger, and then later the laser appears. Killed him! I
Both of
blind
them?
fired the hell out of him.
Look it, let's go.
I think it's
Oh, he's
on
not
this
out
way.
here. He's not out here.
I killed him.
I thought there was two.
Who? Only saw
There
one.
was two. Oh, somebody said there was two.
Oh.
Oh, someone here.
Where?
Ah, two people here. I don't know if you marked number two.
Oh, wait.
From the
over
left, from
shoot.
that window.
Alright, I'm gonna Rambo it. Two bullets.
Or they'll be coming through that door in a minute. On the right.
I
On it.
killed one.
Captain got one.
Oh, I only could shoot one? Why let me hold two if I can only
Uh-huh.
shoot one? Oh man, that's stupid. So no matter what, even if you dual wield, you're only allowed to shoot one. The other one would technically be like jammed. Alright, died at objective B.
Yeah, I just picked up their weapon and I can shoot both.
You can't or could.
Can't.
I don't.
Oh.
I heard somebody over here, but I don't see anybody.
Keep looking.
Yeah, double tap the bodies, maybe.
Oh,
Got him.
nice. Even headshot too. Holy crap! It's like Tom and
I still
Jerry
have a
chasing
grenade.
each other, and then.
I heard somebody on my left, so I'm gonna throw a grenade in there.
Oh, that's a good thing too. It bounced
We
off. and-
win!
Let's
Hey.
go! This is epic.
I heard somebody over here. Where are you at? Come out. Let me kill you.
Kaboom.